Welcome back to Love with Flottante. In our last RV upgrade video, we installed vinyl planks flooring in the bedroom of our Tiffin Phaeton motorhome. We love the transformation. It totally changed the tone of the room. If you are thinking of doing the same, watch the step-by-step video in the end. And check out more details and tips from the article of vinyl planks flooring DIY on our website. In this video, we are going to show you how to remove old carpet and install new carpet in an RV. You probably have seen videos from Class A RVers installed wood or vinyl planks in the front slide. We wanted to do vinyl planks, but it's not recommended by professionals. We will tell you why in the video. We are going to replace the living room carpet in our Tiffin Phaeton. And Daniel, our superstar, is going to do the carpet for us. And he said he can do this carpet in 45 minutes. That's it. Let's start countdown.
That's a personal record. 45 minutes.
First,
cut right around the cabinet. Sometimes, especially on that slide out, they put it under the walls, so it makes it a little bit
underneath the cabinets.
It is. What we'll do is cut up to the cabinet.
Cut up.
Yeah, because if you got to pull in a cabinet, it'll damage the wall. That wallpaper, it'll just into that wall. As long as you cut it good around the cabinet. If you don't, it'll be a struggle.
when cutting the old carpet, cut it in one piece and use it as a template to cut the new carpet to get exactly the same size. Wow, that's quick.
Yeah.
Like
Cutting it out, buying it's a little.
5 minutes.
Not bad.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
I'm on pace to beat my record. Just got to put this in there now. Shoot it down. You can't get that carpet out there.
Yeah, no.
You just can't. Just ain't no way. Wish there was.
Oh, so you just put over it?
Yeah, you don't never know it, but it'll be.
Yeah.
Once I shoot it all down, I'm just gonna do it now before I forget. There's no way to get that piece out.
We are going to put it on the edge. What material is that?
Polyester. It shows through. The colors bleed back through. So once I put it on, it's gonna even blend even better.
If there's any problem with the slide, so they have to get to the roller.
That's the
like
roller
this,
adjustment.
right?
See, to raise and lower these rollers, you adjust these bolts here.
Ah, okay.
So you raise and lower the height of the floor. So if you're rubbing on the floor, the main floor, the slide's touching it, then you have to adjust those rollers to raise the actual height of the floor to keep it from rubbing. And that's what people don't understand when they go to putting another floor in.
Oh, okay, so if you put a hard flooring,
you tear it out.
And you have to tear
and
it
you know,
down.
every time you tear it out, it looks worse when you put it back. Because, well, you'd have to tear it back to here
Oh, okay.
To where you could get to it. Yeah.
Right. Oh, that's a tough job though.
Yeah. You go from pulling the carpet back and adjusting something in 10 minutes to ripping out a floor. It can take 2 or 3 hours.
Yes.
How you trim it back.
Yeah. More work.
Yeah. Well, a lot more money too.
Yeah. True. Now we are doing the passenger side carpet underneath the couch. So first, so filthy underneath our cushion, so filthy.
It's hard to clean sometimes.
We know the air mattress leaks, and we eventually will get rid of the couch. So we decided not to keep it. If you plan to keep the air mattress, remember how did you take it out so you can put it back together without issues. We have more coins.
More coins and a doggy tree.
Like the air mattress, because we knew we would get rid of the couch sooner or later, so we didn't keep the seatbelt too. If you still keep the couch, make sure you have all the screws and the bolts for putting it back later. Cut some new piece of wood for the trim, because he said after you tearing off all the carpet and then remove the nails, and it will just damage to the wood. So it's quicker just to get a new piece.
Wow. It's not a flat floor, it's what they call a raised floor slide out.
If later on we want to remove this couch and put the lazy boy,
right,
what should we do with this vent?
So a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll cut these off right here and just put a couple little short screws in it and just let that air come up here. That's what a lot of people do. Tiffin actually makes some that has a wooden vent, kind of like a regular vent, but it's all wooden, and they build it and they just have them stubbed up right here with that vent, with that wood covering it, so it looks, you know,
nicer.
Yeah, that's. Oh, that's a roller. See, that's
roller.
That's just a big roller. Oh. That's actually what's holding your slide out. The roller. It's what's letting it roll on the floor. got one here, one there, and then one on the other side. You got 3 big ones on this one.
We actually didn't put seatbelts back because we knew we will get rid of the couch sooner or later. If you still keep the couch, make sure you have all the parts for putting it back. Once again, thanks to Daniel from MSRV Solution for the great job and for sharing professional knowledge to our viewers. So besides changing the refrigerator, what other jobs you do?
Flooring, carpet, right. You know, like that. We do a lot of slide out toppers, changing to the sunbrella material, changing out window awning fabrics, like water leaks. We do a lot of general repair work. Anything from roof reseals, you know, replacing windows, adjusting slide outs, slide mechanisms. We don't do the slide floor. We would just change like the drive shaft part of it, the motor, the gear pack, any of that kind of stuff we would change.
We highly recommend MSRV Solutions if you are looking for a great, reliable, efficient, and a reasonable price to fix things on your RV. Give them a call. They can do pretty much of any general repairs. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, please let us know. We also summarize some key notes and the tool list in the article of how to install carpet DIY on our website. We'll put the link in the comment below. Check it out. Like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell for getting notification for seeing our next episode. Sign up on our website for getting new articles, and join us on Patreon for updates. See you next time on La Vie Flottante.